What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding squaring a square root. So the first example is 2 root 3 times 8 root 3. 2 root 3 times 8 root 3. The answer will be 2 times 8 multiplied by root 3 times root 3. 2 times 8 is 16. And root 3 times root 3 is going to be root 3 squared. And we already learned that root 3 squared is just 3. So we have 16 times 3 is going to be 48. Next example. We have 3 root 6 to the power of 2. Answer is, it's going to be 3 root 6 multiplied by 3 root 6. 3 times 3 is going to be 9, and then we have root 6 times root 6. Root 6 times root 6 is going to be 6, and that's going to be 54. Next example is 6 root 11 times 5 root 11. The answer is 6 times 5 times root 11 times root 11. 6 times 5 is 30. Root 11 times root 11 is 11. So 30 times 11 is going to be 330. Next example. We have 5 root 8 squared. 5 root 8 squared is, the answer is 5 root 8 times 5 root 8. 5 times 5, 25, and root 8 times root 8. Root 8 times root 8 is going to be just 8. 25 times 8 is going to be 200. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.